Good day, folks. It's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. I recently purchased a stove, and I got it pretty cheap because the lights behind each of the burners that indicate when the burner's on, they were not there. And what I mean by that is you think that the light bulb is this thing because it's what your eye sees, it's on the outside, but really it's called a light pipe, and the actual light bulb is in behind. It's about 1/4 of an inch behind that thing, and all this little thing does is transfer the light from the light bulb out to the front where you can see it. What had happened was when someone had moved it, they gripped onto the stove like this, and they pushed on those, not on purpose, and they pushed these little light pipes right through. Now, and damaged them. So to get them apart, I'm going to just show it to you here. To get them out, I've taken the light off, and I'll show you how to do that in a sec. I'm going to push from the back. Okay, now that's what it looks like. Now, these things are fragile, and look, see, just taking it out right there, broke that little bit off. These things are fragile, and they're about $7 a piece, and the stove that I bought needed 7 of them. I wasn't going to pay 50 bucks for these little tiny things that should be less than a cent a piece. Anyway, how they go on is you push them through from the front, and then the light slides in. They're kind of spring-loaded, and they snap in there, and this thing is the actual light bulb, and that's how it looks when it's installed. So these had all been damaged. I went to a used appliance guy, and at the same time I was buying a burner from him, he gave me several of these. In fact, he said, I don't have any white ones, but I've got red ones. Do you want to change it to red? Sure, no problem. So the way you install the new ones, you're not going to need to uninstall the old ones because this thing's going to be just floating inside your stove. The way to install it is you put your new one in from the front, and I've just done that, and then you take this and see the forked part there, you slide it over the light to catch that. And now you're back in business with the light that's installed properly. So that's as easy as it is. Now, of course, I had to take this cover off right here, 8 screws or so, and pull it out from the wall, but that's probably the hardest part, is getting it out from the wall. So there you have it. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Good luck with your do-it-yourself projects.